graduation. However, right now, Dr. Tinsley, we have a little problem.
Whoa.
I've noticed a few of our teachers are really nervous right now, a little edgy.
Well, Mrs. Webb, we are getting ready for the Kansas State assessments. You know, the KSA.
I know, but they seem to be acting crazy. I mean, really different.
Well, Mrs. Webb, I don't know what to do. Maybe we should have another staff meeting. No. To explain the KSA rules and procedures one more time.
Oh no, Dr. Tinsley, even though your staff meetings are just out of sight, I mean, to save time, maybe we should just really just go and visit with them.
All right, Mrs. Webb, we'll figure this out because I think if we don't, it's going to be pure havoc. Overwhelmed.
I don't know, Dr. Tinsley. I'm just feeling a little lazy.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to lay my head. Don't feel like picking up my balls, leave a blessing after some. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Really?
You're honest.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Okay, so Mrs. Orr doesn't feel like doing anything today. Mrs. Coots, what is going on with you? Oh, it's bad. It's really sad.
You've been gone for so long, I'm running out of time. I need a doctor, call me a doctor. I need a doctor to bring me back to life.
Oh my goodness! Let's keep that doctor in the house. Oh my, I don't even know what to say to that. I just talked to Mrs. Coots, Mrs. Walters, and she is not doing very well at all. How are you feeling?
You know, Dr. Tinsley, 4th grade is doing great. In fact, hope we're ready for the test. I mean, it's really important. Okay, but Miss Bloom, I'm checking on my teachers. They've been so stressed about this testing.
Well, I think it'll only take a minute, and I'm sure Mrs. Webb won't mind checking on the rest of you.
Oh, sure, no problem. I know the teachers are always excited to visit with me about state assessments. All right, we'll talk with the 6th grade teachers now. How is everything going on Planet 6th grade?
Well, Mrs. Webb, our 6th graders, they are so ready. We are feeling really good.
Yeah, the kids are really going to do their best. We've been in training since August. We got this.
Yeah, and besides, they've learned from the best. All these teachers out here, they've prepared them all through the years. You know, it starts in kindergarten. So thank you. We know we're going to rock this test.
One more thing we need to show the students.
Oh, what now?
It's our test-taking faces.